welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 23 of English, and the name of the chapter is Comprehension. So read the following passages carefully and answer the questions that are given below. So, what is a comprehension? Basically, I'll tell you. Comprehension is a paragraph, is some information that is being given, or it is sometimes a kind of a story also, right? And we have to read that story or that paragraph very carefully that has been provided to us. Then afterwards they have asked some questions from us, right? And that answers we need to question from the paragraph that we have read. So let's begin with the comprehension first that we have been given, and we also have been given the answers of these questions that are being provided to us. So let's begin. Once a fox fell into a deep pit. She tried his best but could not get out. So she just waited for someone to come and help. Soon a lamb passed by there. The fox cried out to him, "The grass here is fresh and sweet. Why don't you come and eat it?" So after that, the lamb was quite silly. Without thinking even for a moment, he jumped to the pit. When he was eating the grass, he asked the fox, how will we get out?" The fox said, "Please stand on your hind legs. I'll climb up your head and get out. Then I'll help you to get out." After that, the lamb agreed, but when the fox got out, she just ran away. The lamb was left in the pit. Now he was regretting on his foolishness, right? So this was the story that has been provided to us. So next we have the questions, and the very first question is, what happened to the lamb in the end? So lamb को end में क्या हुआ था? And we have our answers over here. In the end, the lamb was left in the pit, as we read in the story also. Next question is, who passed by there after some time? The answer to this question is, a lamb passed by there after some time. Next is, what happened to the fox? So fox को क्या हुआ था? The fox fell into a deep pit, right? After that, who had got out of the pit? Who got out of the pit? The fox had got out of the pit. Chose the best title for the story, and the options are the clever fox, and the silly lamb, and the silly lamb. So, what would be the appropriate title? That best title for the story is The Clever Fox and the Silly Lamb, right? So, this is how we simply read the paragraph and we answered the questions, right? Next, you have been given some more examples. You can just read them and practice for your own. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all learned how to solve the comprehensions and their questions. So, thank you so much and have a great day ahead.